I'm Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. That is my Instagram and YouTube channel. The car's called Orkney because that's the color code of the car, so it's Orkney grey. Later found out that that's a place in Scotland that's called Orkney. It's some seaside town. I guess it's grey and gloomy, so that's what the colour was named after. When I first bought the car, it was just a street car, had no plans of forward driving it, and then had a camping trip planned. That were the first round of mods, and it's gone bananas ever since then. So the front end has a Rovacraft tubular bull bar. Got a GME 6.6 dBi antenna off that. I've also got a 2.1 dBi for the hills. I have a Rover winch 13 XP on the front. The engine has a 170 horsepower ECU tune and high flow intercooler. I've also got a Nugget Stuff sealed airbox. The play tyres are 37-inch Treps. They're on steel beadlock rims, and the dailies I've got Maxxis razors that are on just 17x9 steel rims. So I'm running a 2-inch lift. This is Richmond coils and Koni 88 series long treble shocks. About to change that to some Bilstein 14-inch treble on the front and 12s on the rear to get that front end flexing a lot better. I've also got Superior Engineering Superflex arms on the front and Gwyn Lewis rear trailing arms that are cranked. The snorkel is a Safari snorkel. That's all sealed to the Nugget Stuff airbox, which is a Perspex lid. So I've got a Tradesman alloy oval roof rack, open-ended. I've got my high lift and shovel mounted up there, and I've got 4 HTX hybrid driving light, Lightforce lights up there. I've got some Mulgo rear corner protectors on the rear, wheel carrier by Mantec, front runner rear ladder, and I've got a little Lightforce work light out the back there. So I've got a little window insert on the rear that's from Rough Parts in Switzerland. I have a air up point at the back there and a hose that I store in there that's just for easy access for airing up. I've built a shelf on the rear, so I've got rid of the rear seats. That's all custom by myself. Behind the rear window insert there's a boxed out section that I have my compressor, air gauge there, and inflator and deflator. Underneath the shelf I have a 2.5 gallon air tank from Viair, which is connected to their dual 485C air compressor. I've got Specialist M Recaros that are custom partial leather and cloth. So in the cabin I've got winch isolator and in-out switch, also running my air compressor and front and rear locker switches off that too. And I've got a little Redarc dual battery voltage gauge. On the side I've got the front runner glass gull wings on both sides, Mulgo rock sliders, and also a little Lightforce work light on the passenger side. And off the roof rack on the same side I have 2 points for lighting for when I put out an awning. All the lights on the front have been changed. I've got JW speaker 7-inch LEDs, Halla LED indicators all around. The whole car has been converted to LED lighting. I've got Ashcroft Engineering front and rear air lockers. I've also got their heavy duty CVs, a centre ATB. The diff gearing is also Ashcroft, and that's changed from 354 to 437s to accommodate for the 37-inch tyres. And I've got high tough chromoly axles.